toy dump truck. As you can tell, it's a very heavy-duty, durable plastic. The truck makes noises and sounds realistic to a real dump truck. The back also lifts. The wheels are nice and sturdy, made of a thick plastic. It is remote controllable. One controls the up and down of the bed, and one controls the movement. Here's the on and off switch. It does have a battery adapter for the truck. The details of the truck are very realistic. The truck moves fairly fast when it's in motion. Perfect for my son to chase around the house. Overall, I've been very satisfied with the quality and performance of this dump truck.